Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Process of appointing a Lokayukta in final stage. Act to be ready for enforcement before monsoon session. Government soon to communicate with Bombay High Court for Lokayukta selection. Ravi Sawani submits IPL match and spot fixing allegation report to BCCI. Sawani interrogates Goa's Ranji star Amit Yadav along with tainted others. BCCI's disciplinary committee to decide cricketer's fate. Pandurang Nadkarni's proposed appointment as State Information Commissioner engulfs in controversy. Iris Rodrigues urges Governor not to give assent. Says former Goa Education Board chairman has no knowledge and experience in law. And Gera win fourth late Srimati Chandravati Parsekar T20 cricket defeat PG Warriors by 24 runs in the final. And now the news in detail. The process of appointing a Lokayukta is in the final stage. Law Department has vetted rules framed by the Vigilance Department. Lokayukta Act will be enforced in the state once the rules are approved by the Cabinet. Sources say that all the process will likely be completed before Assembly's monsoon session. On the other side, government will soon communicate with the Chief Justice of Bombay High Court for recommending a Lokayukta. Watch this report.
Process of appointing a Lokayukta has reached the final stage. The rules framed by the Vigilance Department have been vetted by the Law Department and are sent back to the Vigilance Department. Now the Vigilance Department will forward these rules to the state government. Government will send it back to the Vigilance Department for enforcement once the rules are approved by the Cabinet. Vigilance Department will later issue a notification. On the other side, government has sent a file regarding selection of Lokayukta to the Vigilance Department. Vigilance Department will forward it to the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court. High Court will recommend an eligible judge from the panel of retired judges and advocates suitable for the post of Lokayukt. It will be followed by a selection of Lokayukt by a committee of Chief Minister, opposition leader and others. However, Advocate Iris Rodrigues claims that retired judge of Bombay High Court, V.R. Kingaukar, tops the list of the government to be the first Lokayukt of Goa. A reporter from Panji, Lokayukta.
IPL corruption probe on sting allegations is complete. BCCI's anti-corruption wing head Ravi Sawani submitted his report, which includes spot-fixing allegations levelled against Goa's Amit Yadav and 4 other uncapped IPL players. Goa's Ranji star was trapped in a sting operation conducted by a television channel last month where he was seen discussing IPL contracts besides his existing one. The report will now be studied by the BCCI's disciplinary committee of N. Srinivasan, Arun Jaitley and Niranjan Shah.
Ravi Sawani, the head of the BCCI's new anti-corruption wing, has submitted his report on the allegations of corruption levelled against 5 domestic Indian players, which includes Goa's Amit Yadav, to board president N. Srinivasan. The allegations, which include to match fixing and negotiating for extra illegal pay. Sawani was appointed as the commissioner of the inquiry by BCCI, had been asked to submit his report in 15 days' time. The report will now be studied by the BCCI disciplinary committee, which comprises of N. Srinivasan himself, Arun Jaitley and Niranjan Shah, both vice presidents. Sanjay Jagdale, BCCI secretary, says no date has yet been fixed for the disciplinary committee to meet. The 3-man panel, after studying the report, will decide on the final action to be taken against the players Shalabh Srivastava, Monish Mishra, T.P. Sudhindra, Amit Yadav and Abhinav Bali. The players, if found guilty, will be charged under the BCCI and IPL codes of conduct. Sources say former head of ICC's Anti-Corruption and Security Unit Sawani interviewed Amit Yadav along with 4 others accused. Sawani's interrogation was based on the information and evidence he gathered from sources. Amit Yadav's future will be decided by BCCI alone. Goa Cricket Association had informed Prudent that GCA would comply in toto with BCCI's decision on Goa's Ranji all-rounder Amit Yadav's fate. In a few days' time, Amit's fate will be clearly known. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Educationist Dr. Pandurang Nadkarni's proposed appointment as the State Information Commissioner is engulfed in controversy. RTI activist Advocate Irish Rodrigues has urged the Goa Governor B.V. Vanchu not to appoint Pandurang Nadkarni as the State Information Commissioner. Irish claims that Dr. Nadkarni has no knowledge and experience in law. The advocate has termed it a political appointment.
Advocate Irish Rodrigues has petitioned the Goa Governor B.V. Vanchu not to appoint Pandurang Nadkarni as the State Information Commissioner. He claims that recommendations for Nadkarni's appointment is politically motivated. Nadkarni has no knowledge and experience in law, which is mandatory as per Section 15(5) of the Right to Information Act.
So I have submitted a complaint to the Governor of Goa today stating that Mr. P.R. Nadkarni does not qualify to be the Information Commissioner of Goa. Section 15(5) of the Right to Information Act very clearly states that the Information Commissioner has to have wide knowledge and experience of law. I have informed the Governor in my letter that Mr. P.R. Nadkarni has no experience whatsoever in law and he is not suitable to be the Information Commissioner of Goa. Now, the manner in which the Chief Minister has selected Mr. P.R. Nadkarni, he is a BJP candidate for this position, which is unacceptable.
In total, 27 candidates had applied for the post of State Information Commissioner. Sources say that the file regarding Commissioner's appointment is expected to be sent to the Raj Bhavan on Monday by the government for Governor's approval. The Governor can accept or reject the name proposed by the government. It would be interesting to see Governor B.V. Vanchu's stand on the issue. A reporter from Panji, Lokayukta, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.